Hey guys, welcome back to World Joe Traveled. Today we're escaping to paradise, Hilton Moorea's iconic Overwater Bungalows in French Polynesia. The crystal clear water, marine life right outside your deck, and Pacific views that feel straight out of a dream. Stay tuned and we'll cover the cost, where to stay, and when to visit, how to get there, and everything you need to know for your ultimate Overwater Bungalow experience. All right, Tatum, what are we about to do?
We're about to go stay in an Overwater bungalow, me, Riley, and Mom.
Yeah. So due to the cost of it, we decided just to get one night there, and it's only sleeps 3 people. So the girls are gonna stay the night, but we're just gonna hang out there all day. So super excited about it. If you come all this way, I mean, you've got to stay in a bungalow, right?
Yeah, because they have bungalows, and like in the Maldives, if you come there, you're probably gonna most likely want to stay in a bungalow.
Yeah. So we opted just to do it one night because it's so insanely expensive. So here we go.
After landing at Tahiti, you'll take a quick 30-minute ferry ride, and the Hilton actually offers transfers to and from the ferry place for you if you don't want to rent a car.
All right, we're checked in at the Hilton in Moorea. We got here a little bit early, so we're just kind of enjoying the grounds right now. We were greeted with some floral necklaces and some fresh pineapple juice, so that was really good. So far so good. We did make reservations for tonight. We are going to see a luau, so pretty excited about that. But right now, I'm just kind of chilling. We're told our room will be ready promptly at 2, so hopefully that's the case. The part of your room, you get kayaks and paddleboards.
Yep.
So we're going to do some kayaking and paddleboarding. And so that's what we're doing right now. Wish me luck.
Evan, let's go get on a paddleboard.
He's excited. Got our room number. So now we're just heading to the room. So excited. I can't believe I'm getting to do this. It's so cool.
The shuttle to and from the ferry will cost you $15 per person each way, and the Hilton actually takes care of different tours around the island, depending on what you want to do, or dining tours, hiking tours, stuff like that. So even if you don't rent a car, there's plenty of options there to use their transportation to explore this beautiful island.
First up, an overview. So Hilton Moorea Lagoon Resort and Spa sits on a peninsula between 2 bays, Cooks, and I really can't pronounce the other one, surrounded by calm lagoon water and mountain views. So options for these range from beachfront garden bungalows with plunge pools to overwater bungalows to panoramic overwater bungalows. And the deluxe options all have a glass floor panel. These also sit right above the lagoon and have direct water access, perfect for snorkeling or a sunset swim. On site, you'll also find the only overwater restaurant in Moorea, a spa, pool, tennis court, and fitness studio all on the grounds. Let's talk about the costs. So overwater bungalows range from about $600 USD to $1,200 USD per night, depending on the season and category. At Hilton Moorea, you can expect to spend around $817 for a standard, $890 for panoramic, and $930 for a premium panoramic room. All of those include breakfast. Definitely recommend booking during the dry season, May through October, which means higher rates. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, look. Ah! What is that?
It makes me scared to actually stand on here.
Mom, come here.
You see the needlefish, huh?
Mom, come here.
Huh?
Come here.
What?
You can make coffee in the morning just so you know.
Yay!
They don't have a microwave. Ready, watch. What the heck? Why don't we have a microwave? Mom, look up. And this. Oh, no, that's the same.
Oh.
Yeah?
There it is.
So the best time to visit is May to October. This is the dry, high season with sunny skies, calm seas, and perfect snorkeling conditions. April and November serve as sweet spots for fewer tourists and great weather, while storms may hit in December through March. That's really their rainy season, and the resort often offers deals then, but be aware of the occasional cyclones.
They have a private yacht.
All right, so the sun sets around 6 p.m. here. So the sun is setting.
Southern Hemisphere.
Yeah, or has set, I guess. We're eating dinner at 7 and we booked a luau. So right now we're just kind of chilling. The kids are chilling. And yeah, but we're loving this bungalow. It's amazing.
Yeah.
So they do have a luau on site. I believe that this is offered every night. Just book ahead early if you want to go. We enjoyed it, but the food was very expensive. Snorkeling gear is also included, as well as paddle boards and kayaks. Pack reef-safe sunscreen. Book dining early and spa early if you want to experience those things. You can also try a local 4x4 mountain tour, and that's a lot of fun. We are sitting on the deck of the bungalow, and there are sharks feeding underneath us. So we're sitting out here watching.
They're eating over there because they keep swimming through there like dum-dums.
So maybe we can catch one. Good morning. We are waking up and we're going to get some breakfast, but I wanted to show you guys this view. Looks like it might be a little bit rainy today. It's just beautiful waking up here. So we got to check out soon, so we're going to make the most of the last time we have here. So I'm going to go paddleboard, and I think Riley might come with me. So, and then I think Tatum's going to go swim in the pool. And the boys just got here. So, yeah, we love this place. It's beautiful. I will say that the food is very expensive, so plan accordingly. We did not last night, and we overpaid by quite a bit. So just keep that in mind.
Oh, they're filming.
Boys are here. Aww, he brought me a flower. Overall, this was an amazing experience. We did only stay one night there just due to the cost of the bungalow, and we have 6 people. But I will say it was phenomenal. It was one of the favorite things that we did while we were there. One of the coolest parts was all of the activities that they had. So you can easily get to paddleboarding as well as kayaks, and all the kids played on those. We also snorkeled right outside our room, which was really, really cool. We saw a bunch of different fish that we hadn't seen on the rest of the island. And it was also really neat to just be able to jump off your back deck, or not the deck portion, but the lower portion, and just swim and fly the drone. Like, we had a ton of fun out there. The pool was also open late, and so the kids opted to swim in the pool way past 10 p.m. And that was pretty fun for them.
Yeah, this place is one of those places to just check off your bucket list. It was super pretty, and we really enjoyed our stay here.
Hey, over here. lock. Go towards the middle. Oh God.
I hate you.
Why did you fall?
Water's too deep for me to touch, so and it's great. The last thing I'll say about this place is that the service was impeccable too. We really enjoyed it. So that's all we've got for you guys today. If you guys have more questions, drop those in the comments below. And if you want more on French Polynesia, we have a full series coming out soon. So hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. Thanks for being here.